In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply a beautiful watercolor painting effect to your photo in Canva. This is a simple but powerful technique that can transform any regular image into something that looks soft, artistic, and hand-painted. The best part is you don't need any advanced design skills to do this. If you enjoy Canva tutorials like this one, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future design tips. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and log into your account. From the home page, click on Create a Design and choose any canvas size you prefer. If you're designing for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, or print, you can select a preset size. Once your blank canvas opens, the first step is to add your photo. Go to the Uploads tab on the left side panel, click Upload Files, and select the image you want to turn into a watercolor painting. After the image uploads, drag it onto your canvas and resize it so it fits your layout properly. Now that your photo is in place, we're going to create the watercolor paper effect using overlays. This is what really gives the design that authentic painted look. On the left panel, click on Elements. In the search bar at the top, type Watercolor Texture and press Enter. You can also try searching for Watercolor Overlay or Watercolor Paper to explore more options. Canva will show you a variety of textures, including soft paper backgrounds, paint splashes, and artistic brush patterns. Choose a watercolor paper texture that you like and click on it to add it to your canvas. Resize the texture so it fully covers your entire photo. Once it's covering the image, right-click on the texture and select Send to Back if you want it behind certain elements, or keep it above the image if you want it to act as a blending layer. For a realistic watercolor effect, you'll usually place the texture on top of the photo. With the texture selected, go to the Transparency option in the top right corner of Canva. Slowly lower the transparency until the photo blends naturally with the watercolor paper. You'll notice that as you reduce the transparency, the image starts to look softer and more like it's printed on textured paper. Adjust it carefully until you get a subtle but visible paper grain effect. To enhance the watercolor style even more, go back to Elements and search for Watercolor Splash Overlay. Add 1 or 2 splash elements on top of your image. Resize and position them around key areas of the photo, like the edges or background. Then adjust their transparency as well so they blend smoothly instead of overpowering the image. This layering technique creates depth and gives your design a more authentic painted appearance. If you want an even softer look, you can click on your main photo, select Edit, and slightly reduce clarity or increase warmth depending on the mood you're going for. Small adjustments can make a big difference in achieving that dreamy watercolor finish. And that's it! You've successfully applied a watercolor painting effect to your photo in Canva using simple textures and overlays. As you can see, it only takes a few steps to completely transform your image into something artistic and eye-catching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.